Welcome to the Northern Netherlands, a region where new ideas and technology come together. Here, the tech sector thrives like never before. From complex industrial systems to advanced digital technologies like AI, edge computing, and green computing. Beyond the horizon of tomorrow lies a future we can shape. Our unique strength lies in top institutions like the University of Groningen, Hanze University of Applied Sciences, NHL Stenden, Wetsus, and ASTRON. We focus on innovation, manufacturing, and solution-driven technology. We love training new talent to shape the future. Our ambitions are vast. Initiatives like the European Digital Innovation Hub, InfiniTech Center for Autonomous Systems, and AI Hub fortify the Northern Netherlands as a premier tech region. We develop autonomous systems, smart factories, and groundbreaking technologies for a future-proof industry. Here, digital innovation enables transitions across industries and accelerates progress, from digital health to resilient smart grids. Groningen's Digital Tech Hub offers a strong startup climate and a close-knit network of businesses. Are you interested in a role on the testing ground? Join us and become part of our growing tech community. TopDutch, naturally leading the transition.